you got there, Jack?
I got a toy.
What'd you get?
I can do this.
Oh. Why can you do that?
That looked sexual, but I meant no cord. I ain't got no cord, buddy.
You're wireless?
Wireless.
Nice.
Wireless for the show, at least.
And no delay, at least, between the playing and the sound?
Doesn't feel like it, at least. So, we'll find out. It doesn't really affect the effects either.
Pretty sweet. And I, too, have also gotten a toy. I finally have picked up enough strap locks to be able to outfit all of my guitars with them, so I can just have one strap and just change it out nice and fast and it doesn't fall off me or anything like that. Yes.
Right? I'm gonna hit the 3 ball. That 3's gonna hop the 8.
Trying to play old Zeppelin songs I don't remember.
All of you out there, this is for you.
Whoa, that's way too zoomed in. There we go. Yeah! So we're at literally the Thursday, the day before the show, and we're doing our practice and everything like that, and it sounds amazing. So if we suck tomorrow, it's not our fault. Somebody else did something. There was a gremlin, whatever it may be. But yeah, as you can tell, we're taking ourselves very seriously. Alright. So yeah, we're trying to sharpen our pool game to play the pool table that is probably put in the back room for the weekend at the VFW. So yeah. Also, funny note, Jack is leaving for a bachelor party pretty much as soon as we're done playing. So he has a very packed weekend. He's got to play a show and then go to a bachelor party in the Lake of the Ozarks. So that's fun. It's been a while since we played out, but we think we got everything, which is nice. Look how bare this looks. There's like nothing back here. It's like a kid moving out of your house and being like, oh, they're going off to college, it's so sad. Yeah, that's how long it's been. It feels like, oh, we don't take our stuff places very often. Because we haven't!
Coaches don't play favorites. They play those guys that deserve. They want to win. And Tyson Jones, that guy...